This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Tail light bulb replacement. Open the tailgate. Remove the tail light housing screws. Pull the housing straight back to remove it for access to the bulbs. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it out from the housing. Then pull the bulb straight out of the holder. Push the new bulb into the holder, then insert the holder into the housing and rotate 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Insert the lugs on the tail light housing into the holes in the body and push the housing into place. Then install the screws and tighten them securely, but avoid cracking the plastic.